Okay, welcome to PV Tech. I'm Prince, and today I'm gonna show you how to run installation wizard on 3 DSTV Explorer decoders when you are doing extra view installation that consists of 3 Explorer decoders. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. Alright, keep watching. Okay, so on your primary decoder, on your primary DSTV Explorer decoder, which will be your first decoder or decoder 1, come to the installation wizard, and then here you select your preferred language. So I'm moving on with English. You press OK on the English, and then you move on to the next page. So when you come here on the satellite page, we have some country list over here with this satellite name IS20. So if you are living in these listed countries over here, we have Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. You need to select this satellite IS20, and then you move on with the steps that we'll be using. And if you cannot find your country name in this list, you need to change the satellite from IS20 to E36B. That's for the rest of Africa. So if you are living in Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, and the rest of Africa, that you can't find your name over here, you change the satellite to E36B, and then you move on to the next page. So you press OK on your remote, and then you move on. So when you come here, you move down to manual setup. Okay, then you press OK. So the next page is the LNB. You need to choose your LNB. So here the LNB type has to be Unicable TM/SAT-CR. You don't have to change it because any Explorer decoder, you have to install it with a Unicable capable LNB. So that's why you install it with a Smart LNB. Smart LNB is a Unicable LNB. So here the LNB type has to be Unicable TM/SAT-CR. And the user band frequency and user band index have to be the same, because this is the primary decoder and this will be your first decoder, which is the decoder 1. And the default figures, the user band frequency and the user band index for the default figures on every decoder or every Explorer decoder is the figures that will be on your extra view installation decoder 1. So with this, you have to leave it as it is for it to be the default figures for your primary decoder. Okay, so you come here and then you make sure that you're having enough signal. So you highlight the scan option to get the indication on the right side of the page that you are having enough signal, and then you go back to the previous page. You move out to quick setup. So here, and then you select decoder 1. And then you press OK to scan your decoder. Okay. Alright. Okay, so on your secondary decoder, which will be your decoder 2, Explorer decoder 2, and then you choose your preferred language as we did for the primary decoder. So here with the satellites, you do the same with the primary decoder, how we did. If you are living in the listed countries over here, you select your satellite to be IS20. If you are not living in these listed countries, you change your satellite to E36B, and then you move on with the steps. So here you come down to manual setup, the same steps. And then when you come here, the LNB type have to be Unicable TM/SAT-CR. And here, because this is your secondary decoder, you need to change the user band frequency and the user band index. So the first one, the user band frequency, the first one has to be 2040 2040, and then this one has to be 1006, and then this one has to be 1057. Okay, so you come here, the user band index, the first one have to be 3, and then second one have to be 4. Okay, and the third one have to be 5. Okay, so these are the figures that will be on your secondary decoder if you are to do an extra view with Explorer decoders. So this will be the secondary decoder, the user band frequency and the user band index that will be on your secondary decoder. So here you make sure that you're having enough signal. You look at the right side of the page, you see the indication over there that you are having enough signal, and then you go back to the previous page to select quick setup. Okay, so you go back and then you select quick setup. Here you choose decoder 2 to be your secondary decoder. So you press OK on your decoder 2 to scan your decoder. Alright. Okay, so on your last decoder, that is your third DSTV Explorer decoder, you move on with your favorite language. You select your satellite. Okay, so the same steps, come to manual setup, and with the user band frequency and the user band index, because it's your third decoder, you need to change the user band frequency and the user band index to be your third decoder. So here, the user band frequency, the first one have to be 110808, and then this one have to be 1159, and then the third one have to be 1261. Okay, so here have to be 6, 7, and then 8. Okay, so these are the figures that you need to key in on your third DSTV Explorer decoder if you are to do an extra view which consists of 3 Explorer decoders. So this will be the figures, the user band frequency and the user band index on your third DSTV decoder. But for now, DSTV allow only 2 decoders in extra view installation, so take note of that. So here you make sure that you're having enough signal. On the right side of the page there will be some indication over there for you to know that you're having enough signal, and then you go back to the previous page to select decoder 3. Okay, so here you go back and then you come to quick setup. Okay, and then you come down to decoder 3 to be your third decoder. Okay, and then after scanning your decoder, that's when you need to call the DSTV office, and then you give them the details of your decoder, which will be your IUC number and the serial number of your decoders, for them to link them for you. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, you do want to subscribe and then you hit the bell icon. Alright, bless up.